Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create circle text in Adobe Express. So get ready started. At first open your document. In this video I will show create circle text. Now going to the plus icon option. Now for click. Now select from square sheet. Now you show the interface. Now going to the text option. Now select from add your text. Now type your text. Now select from text. Now click for bold option. This text is circle. Now going to the text layout option. Now for click, then click for circle option. That it's. Now you can see resize your size. Now you can see create circle text in Adobe Express is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.